At Aspro, we manufacture crankshafts, connecting rods, cylinders, valves. More than 2,000 different pieces are manufactured in our plant. At Aspro, we manufacture compressors. Our products are used in oil and gas fields, thermal power plants, and industrial plants. With more than 10,000 square meters of first-class facilities and specialized workforce, Aspro develops new products, innovating and improving its technology to meet the needs of our customers and achieve high-performance compression systems for global application. Aspro is an Argentinian company that manufactures and sells compression systems for all types of gases throughout the world. The compressor unit, designed and manufactured entirely by Aspro, can handle inlet pressure ranges of less than 1 bar up to 60 bar and outlet pressure up to 310 bar. With its own engineering and advanced design, Aspro comprehensively develops each product at its plant in Tigre, Buenos Aires in Argentina. A technical team dedicated to this business unit works together with the main oil companies in the region to develop custom compression systems and continue to offer reliable solutions in terms of gas compression. Wide availability of original spare parts guarantee the safety, reliability, and durability of Aspro equipment. Remote real-time telemetry allows compressor operation to be controlled from anywhere in the world. All the equipment manufactured by Aspro is tested in our plant, simulating the required operating conditions. The sales team advises and recommends the client in a personalized way on the appropriate equipment from the beginning of the project to its installation. Aspro has a worldwide customer service network with sales and after-sales representatives in different countries. Aspro is recognized as one of the leading companies with the longest trajectory and influence in the market, and is projected into the future to continue offering new solutions, new products, and new technologies to continue accompanying the development of CNG and oil and gas throughout the world.